Hello everyone, I am Daniel San. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, I Like Stripes by Deborah Schecter. A candy cane has stripes. I like stripes. A candy cane has stripes. I like stripes. Toothpaste has stripes. I like stripes. Toothpaste has stripes. I like stripes. A flag has stripes. I like stripes. A flag has stripes. I like stripes. A zebra has stripes. I like stripes. A zebra has stripes. I like stripes. A street has stripes. I like stripes. A street has stripes. I like stripes. A ladybug has stripes. No, no, no. A ladybug has stripes. No, no, no. A ladybug has spots. I like spots. A ladybug has spots. I like spots.